The site is called Pecos Ranch and is located on the west of Texas. We can have a look at the wind resource of Texas, of the West Texas. We can see that the wind zone is moderate. It's classified 2 compared to zones which are 4 and 5 on the up to 6 on the west and 3 to 4 on the north, but it's a moderate wind area. If we go closer to the site, we can have a look at the topography, the characteristics of the site. So we see it's a very it's a plateau surrounded by canyons. So we would consider it as a complex topography. There are some similar wind farms located on such plateau in the surrounding area. We can have a look. These wind farms are located on a plateau which looks less complex than our plateau. The topography looks like more or less lines of ridge, and you can see that the turbines are located directly on the ridge. But our site looks more complex. So the risk we have, and we have to study it, is this configuration. We can have a look. This is what's happening when the wind is reaching an obstacle, like a cliff. You can see there are turbulences down the cliff and up the cliff, which affect the wind profile, the vertical wind profile. So there is a critical distance that we should respect, and this is what we need to study. To study this, we will install 2 masts, one located on the plateau, which will be used as a reference for the turbines on this part, and the other mast will be located on the extreme west of the site, showing the wind condition to define the location of the turbines on that place. So this layout is just an indicative layout, as we don't know the dominant wind direction, which can be really site specific, but it can give you a good overview of the potential. On this layout we have 40 turbines. 40 turbines can be 2 or 2.5 megawatt, so 80 to 100 megawatt. We can have a closer look at the topography. I think this shows really the plateau and the different heights. There are quite a lot of map available for this part. So we are between 800 to 600 down the valley. We can have also a look at this map, which is orthophotometry. It shows the plateau with a good definition. We can also have a look at the topographic map, which shows the contour lines. It seems there are no environmental issues on that site. Access looks easy from the east side. So the first action is to install these two masts and study the wind condition.